United States, July 22, 2025. A sudden and violent hailstorm struck central North Dakota early this morning, battering the city of Bismarck and surrounding areas with large hail and powerful winds. The storm arrived just after 1:45 a.m. local time, waking residents with a deafening barrage of ice crashing onto roofs, vehicles, and streets. According to the National Weather Service, hailstones measuring up to 1 inch in diameter were recorded across Burleigh County, including in Bismarck, while nearby Mandan saw wind gusts reaching 71 miles per hour, equivalent to 114 kilometers per hour. The impact shattered windows, dented vehicles, and left streets littered with broken branches and chunks of ice before dawn. Residents described the storm as sudden and aggressive. "It sounded like gunfire on the roof," said one homeowner in western Bismarck. "We ran to the basement. The windows were shaking." Emergency responders were called to at least a dozen locations for reports of fallen power lines and damaged property.
Holy smokes!
Though no injuries have been confirmed, damage assessments are ongoing. Several neighborhoods lost power temporarily, and local authorities have urged caution, especially in rural areas where damage may be more severe. As the storm system moves southeast, attention now turns to Nebraska, where conditions are rapidly deteriorating. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watches for large parts of northern and central Nebraska, warning of the potential for large hail, damaging winds, and heavy rainfall this evening. Weather models suggest the strongest storms may form between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m., especially along the I-80 corridor and across parts of the Sandhills. Forecasters say hailstones could exceed 1.5 inches in isolated areas, large enough to damage crops, livestock, and unprotected vehicles. Farmers in the region are rushing to protect machinery and animals, as hail events earlier this month caused significant agricultural losses across the Midwest. "If this hits like last week, we could lose everything," said a farmer near Kearney. This event is part of a larger pattern of extreme weather hammering the central U.S. in recent weeks. NOAA reports indicate that hail-related damages in 2025 have already crossed $1.2 billion, with more storms expected as unstable air lingers over the Great Plains. Authorities are urging residents to remain indoors during warnings, park vehicles under cover if possible, and monitor official alerts from the National Weather Service. With storm energy continuing to build, tonight could bring yet another round of severe conditions.